Struggling with your e-commerce or dropshipping business? Feeling overwhelmed by the competition? You're not alone. In fact, you're in the company of countless entrepreneurs who, just like you, are trying to navigate the choppy waters of the e-commerce world. One of the most common challenges is, of course, the competition. With the rapid growth of online selling platforms, the e-commerce landscape has become a battlefield, with businesses vying for the attention of the same pool of customers. It's a game of survival of the fittest, and only those who can differentiate themselves from the crowd will come out on top. Then, there's the issue of customer retention. You may have attracted a good number of customers initially, but keeping them coming back for more is a whole different ballgame. It's no secret that retaining existing customers is less costly than acquiring new ones. But how exactly do you get customers to stay loyal to your brand in a market saturated with options? That's the question that keeps many e-commerce entrepreneurs up at night. Finding profitable products is another common stumbling block. The market is constantly changing, and what was profitable yesterday may not be profitable tomorrow. It's a constant search for the next big thing, the product that will capture the attention of consumers and drive sales through the roof. And let's not forget about shipping logistics. It's a complex process that involves coordinating with suppliers, managing inventory, and ensuring that products reach customers in a timely and efficient manner. It's a daunting task, especially for small businesses that may not have the resources to invest in advanced logistics solutions. But here's the good news. These are common issues, and common issues have common solutions. The world of e-commerce is not just about challenges, it's also about opportunities. Opportunities to learn, to evolve, and to outsmart the competition. Now, wouldn't it be amazing if there were a few hacks that could help solve these problems? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to dive into. First up, let's tackle the challenge of finding profitable products. In the world of e-commerce and dropshipping, the products you choose to sell can make or break your business. So, how do you find those profitable products? The answer is simple yet multifaceted: research. But not just any research, strategic research. Start by using market research tools. These tools can help you identify what products are trending, which ones are in demand, and where the competition is low. They also provide insights into consumer behavior, allowing you to understand what customers want. Next, follow the trends. Trends can be your best friend when looking for profitable products. Be it fashion, technology, or lifestyle, trends signal what the market is currently interested in. But tread carefully. The downside of trends is their transient nature. Today's hot item might be tomorrow's old news, so always be on the lookout for the next big thing. Then consider niche markets. These are specific subsegments of a larger market, characterized by distinct preferences and needs. By identifying niche markets, you can cater to a dedicated customer base with unique products that are in high demand within that particular group. This strategy can often lead to higher profit margins. Lastly, don't just focus on the product's selling price. Consider the cost of procurement, shipping, taxes, and any other expenses related to the product. This will help you determine the true profitability of a product. Let's not forget, however, that while finding a profitable product is crucial, it's just one part of the puzzle. The way you market and present your product, the customer service you provide, and how you manage your business operations all play a vital role in your overall profitability. Remember, the key to finding a profitable product is research, research, and more research. Now let's move on to our next hack. Second on our list is mastering the art of SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the secret sauce that gives your online store the visibility it needs in the vast digital marketplace. Think of it as the compass that guides potential customers right to your doorstep. So how does one master this art? Firstly, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the search terms that your potential customers are typing into Google or other search engines. To rank higher, you need to identify the right keywords related to your products and incorporate them into your website content, product descriptions, and blog posts. But remember, it's not about stuffing as many keywords as possible. It's about using them strategically and naturally. Next, we move on to optimizing product descriptions. A well-optimized product description does two things. It makes your product more appealing to your potential customers, and it improves your site's SEO. So, how do you optimize a product description? Be descriptive and persuasive, but also include your target keywords. Break up large blocks of text with bullet points and subheadings to make the content more digestible for both your audience and search engines. The third tip is about backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. They're like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines. The more quality backlinks you have, the more reputable your site appears, and the higher you'll rank. You can get backlinks by reaching out to bloggers, influencers, or other businesses in your niche and asking them to link to your site. And lastly, don't forget about mobile optimization. More and more people are shopping on their phones and search engines are taking notice. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly to improve your SEO and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. SEO might seem daunting, but with a little practice, you'll start seeing improvements in your site's ranking. On to the next hack. Our third hack focuses on one of the most important aspects of any business: customer retention. This is the lifeblood that keeps businesses thriving in the competitive e-commerce landscape. But how exactly do you secure customer loyalty and ensure repeat business? Firstly, let's talk about the cornerstone of customer retention: excellent customer service. This isn't simply about addressing customer complaints or inquiries. It's about creating a customer-centric culture where every interaction adds value. It's about being proactive, anticipating customer needs, and exceeding their expectations. Remember, a satisfied customer is a loyal customer. Another powerful strategy is the implementation of loyalty programs. These programs offer rewards, discounts, or perks to repeat customers, incentivizing them to keep coming back. But don't just offer generic rewards. Tailor them to your customers' preferences. If a customer frequently purchases a particular product, offer them a discount on that item. Personalization is key in making your customers feel valued and appreciated. Moving on, let's not underestimate the power of email marketing. This is a direct line of communication with your customers, and when done right, it can be a gold mine for retention. Regular, meaningful communication keeps your brand top of mind. You can use emails to notify customers of new products, upcoming sales, or simply to share valuable content. However, avoid spamming your customers. Always strive to provide value with every email you send. Finally, always solicit feedback from your customers. This shows that you value their opinion and are willing to make improvements based on their suggestions. It's an effective way to build a relationship with your customers and make them feel part of your brand's journey. So there you have it, folks. Improving customer retention isn't about grand gestures, but rather, it's about consistently providing value, exceeding expectations, and showing appreciation. Remember, it's easier to keep a customer than to acquire a new one. Now let's tackle our final hack. Last but certainly not least, we're going to discuss how to streamline your shipping logistics. This is the lifeblood of your e-commerce operation, the bridge that connects your product with the customer. It's not just about getting your product from point A to point B. It's about doing so efficiently, reliably, and transparently. The first key to shipping logistics is choosing a reliable shipping provider. This might seem obvious, but it's a decision that can make or break your business. A reliable provider ensures your products arrive in a timely manner and in good condition. This not only builds customer trust but also reduces the headache of dealing with lost or damaged goods. Next up is offering tracking. In today's world, customers expect to know where their package is and when it will arrive. By providing tracking information, you're meeting this expectation and giving customers peace of mind. This also reduces the number of customer service inquiries you'll receive asking, "Where's my package?" Now let's talk about setting clear shipping policies. Transparency is key here. Make sure your customers know what to expect in terms of shipping costs, delivery times, and return policies. This not only helps manage customer expectations, but also protects your business from potential disputes. But don't stop at the basics. Consider offering free shipping as a promotional tactic, or implementing a tiered shipping strategy, where the cost of shipping decreases as the customer spends more. These can be powerful incentives for customers to complete their purchase, and even spend a little extra. And remember, always be optimizing. Use data to spot bottlenecks in your shipping process and find ways to improve. Whether it's switching providers, negotiating better rates, or improving your packaging, there's always room to streamline your shipping logistics. With these 4 hacks in your toolbox, you're well on your way to conquering the e-commerce world. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every challenge is just an opportunity in disguise.